In our latest article, we are looking into regional biases regarding sustainable public procurement. Sustainability itself is a multidimensional concept. You have social dimension, the environmental dimension, and the economic dimension. When we are looking into sustainable public procurement policies and practices, for example, in the European Union, we see that there's a strong bias towards the ecological dimension of sustainable public procurement. A lot of actors are tending to generalize this bias and assuming that a lot of other nations and world regions having the same biases towards the ecological dimension. However, when we're looking into into countries in sub-Saharan Africa, for example, we see that there is a reverse bias where the social dimension is much more prevalent than, for example, the environmental dimension. What we found in our research is that there's a high context sensitivity of sustainability dimensions in public procurement. Countries like South Africa or Kenya, for example, have a long-standing experience with integrating social aspects into their public procurement, while countries like Germany have more experiences in integrating ecological factors. This context sensitivity is based on different discourses on the national as well as on the local level. These are leading to past dependencies. For example, regulatory frameworks and policies regarding public procurement are informed by the different discourses on sustainability in the different national and local settings, and therefore hampering a more comprehensive approach to sustainability in public procurement. Despite this, there is a recent tendency to integrate aspects of the missing social dimensions into public procurement practices and policies. Our policy advice based on this is, in the short term, to actually just continue with adding some more aspects of the missing dimension, for example, environmental or social aspects into the practices. But in the long run, there's no way around a more comprehensive approach to sustainable public procurement. For this, there are also additional resources needed in order to integrate this successfully into procurement practices.